Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily unlock your MIUI. So for doing this you just need to go to this service official site MIUI.com, and here you will find unlock. So just download on Windows MIUI zip file, and here you will open zip file and just click 2 times on install. Here you can see me flash unlock.exe, and just sign into your account and connect your phone. So after you connect your phone and sign into your account MIUI, you need to go to fastboot. So for getting to the fastboot you need to click on low volume button and just lock button, and just wait for some seconds until you will see this image. So the screen will disappear and appear this image. It means that it successfully get into fast boot mode, and just click here unlock anyway, and now it will successfully unlock your phone. So just follow this all steps and you successfully unlock your phone MIUI. So just try again. So we need to first open. Here you can see MIUI settings and developer options, and sign out from our account. So just try to do it, and just try to open this app again, and try to unlock again. So I hope that it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.